This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next episode of Mini Lock Monday. There's only 4 locks left on the wheel to pick from. Which one will it be? They're all 40 millimeters or smaller, and I will spin the wheel and pick whichever lock the wheel chooses. So let's get to spinning the wheel. Looks like it's going to be number 6, Master Lock Black Marble Model number 3. On with the picking. All right, let's see if we can't get a quick open on this Master Lock, this Marble Master Lock number 3. And use a wave rake here. And there we go. Quick open. Anyways, thank you for watching. Tune in next week. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. If you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. And we'll see you next week.